1, 2. Hey, okay.
Salut les amis, aujourd'hui on se retrouve avec Clyde. Hello Clyde, how are you?
That's good.
Good to see you. Donc aujourd'hui il va m'apprendre quelques bases de boxe parce qu'en fait c'est vrai que je suis maintenant retiré de la compétition professionnelle de bodybuilding et j'aimerais avoir un peu plus d'endurance, un peu plus de cardio et puis peut-être perdre un petit peu, être plus dynamique, plus sec, etc. Et aujourd'hui Clyde il va me donner quelques bases de boxe. So what do you do for a living? You're a boxing trainer?
So
and,
over the years, I did boxing training
Yeah.
over the time. So been about 10 years now plus.
Okay.
Now, so all I do now is pretty much help people train, such as yourself, such as other friends that I have available on my squad, and we like to have fun, work out, and be stronger, hit harder. You know.
Donc ça fait une dizaine d'années maintenant du coup qu'il est prof de boxe et qu'il essaye justement d'enseigner ça à des gars comme moi qui veulent justement passer du body à la boxe et puis avoir un meilleur cardio, etc. Et donc il apprend les bases. And you told me that you play football for a long time.
I was football, college football. It was a big time D1, 250 pounds.
Il pesait 250
250
pounds à l'époque. 250 pounds, c'est plus de 100 et quelques kilos, 110, je ne sais plus exactement, mais en tout cas c'est plus que moi. Donc imaginez, il jouait au football à plus de 250 pounds et maintenant. And why did you decide to get lean and
Well, being lean obviously is going to help you out, be a little bit better in life, you know, a little bit more longevity.
Okay.
But I picked up mixed martial arts and boxing, so
MMA?
MMA, exactly. So those kind of things help me out, figure out how to actually control my body a lot better,
Okay.
and be functional when you're actually moving around instead of carrying too much weight, be able to breathe. You know, your stamina's a little different, your eating's a little different. So it was a good change for me, for my body, to be able to adapt to go back to a leaner side.
And what's your age today?
I'm actually 32 years old.
32?
Yeah, 32.
Ah ok, il a 32 ans et donc il a décidé aussi maintenant depuis quelques années justement de devenir plus sec, plus fonctionnel, avoir un corps plus fonctionnel et maintenant ce qu'il recherche aussi c'est la longévité, c'est comme moi tout simplement hein, donc c'est pour ça qu'on décide aussi de perdre un petit peu du poids pour être plus fonctionnel, plus rapide, etc.
So when you have your stance, right? When you're gonna have your lead front is gonna be
Okay.
your right, okay?
Okay.
This is gonna be your jab, all right? And when you have your position, right, you wanna be more at a 45, right? So you're here,
45, ok.
and when you have your hands, right, these are your hands, right?
Uh-huh.
So you have your jab hand and you have your power hand, okay?
Okay.
So when you throw a jab straight out, okay? Now when you come back, you want to make sure you keep your guard up
Yeah.
to your face, okay? Because if anything, what happens is that if I'm here face in front of you, right, and I put your hand up, if you're too far, I can hit you, or I can hit you here,
Okay.
all right? So when you keep your hands nice, you know what I'm saying?
Okay.
You have to keep them all close like this thing because you can't see. You have no vision, okay? So you want to keep your hands available,
Yeah.
okay? All right? So now, if you're here, you have your jab hand out, right? This your jab hand, okay? You understand that part? So that's when you have the most thing, you know, bounce around, this legs go moving. Because like the biggest thing is that when you keep your hands, when you keep your feet moving, your body moving, it keeps you agile. You get what I mean?
Okay.
If you sit there and stand like this and just do this and do this, you're not moving your head, you're not moving your body, but we'll work onto that. One, two. There you go. Okay, see? Got that concept, and just, you know, always keep your hands moving nice and soft,
Okay.
nice and easy. Control your breathing, okay? In your nose, out your mouth. There's no stress, okay? So I want you to do the same thing I'm doing right now, okay? So just do one, just flow. Just flow. Just flow. There you go. There you go. All right. All right. There you go. Okay. Now, there you go. Keep running. What they call like a resting pace. You get what I mean?
Yeah.
So you never stop moving, really, okay? You always want to keep your heart rate up. Make sure you're always functional. Be ready to go, okay? It's gonna be the 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
So do a slow motion, okay? Just 1, 2, 3. There you go. Try on the back. Don't try to hit it hard. Just do it in the position, okay?
Okay, so
So 1, there you go. Now drop level and come up. There you go. And step in. There you go. And step in.
I have to step in? Okay.
Step in because like when you're here, I'm here and I step back here. Look how far I am. I can't get too close. If you get that angle of actually coming up, hitting it, that thing's gonna go. It's gonna fly away. Dang. All right. So let's try one.
donc il faut que je trouve le bon angle justement et faire forcer aussi avec tout le dos, etc.
1, 2, 3. See how close you are to me now?
Yeah.
That's all here. 1, 2. There you go. 1. There you go. If I put this up, if I put this down, don't hit this, okay? 1. There you go. Okay. Close this. Okay, so we're gonna do 1, 2, okay?
Okay.
1, 2. There you go. See now, see how close you are to me?
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
C'est plus dur. Là, ça commence à être plus dur en mouvement et tout ça. Allez.
Yeah, because if I'm here, then it's like, okay, it's like that's no point. You know, I can't hit you here.
You're right.
You gotta get close. What I want you to do is focus on, keep your stance here.
Okay.
And I want you to be and just give me your hip twist, okay?
Just the hips?
You know what I mean? So 1. Hey, exactly.
Just, okay.
But don't move up. Just stay right there, okay?
Okay.
I want you to get the power in your hands. I know you're going to be strong.
Ok, là sur place, c'est juste avec le mouvement des hanches.
1. 1. There you go. 1. 1, 2. There you go. See? Yeah, and that's what they people won't listen to. You got to listen to 1, 2.
Bon, on va essayer maintenant de varier la hauteur. Donc là, tout à l'heure, on a travaillé sur cet angle-là. Maintenant, on va essayer de varier un petit peu les hauteurs. De toute façon, on y va par étapes. Hein. Là, je débute vraiment. Donc là, il ne va pas me mettre la misère aujourd'hui, mais c'est déjà pas mal.
I don't want you to hurt your hands, bro.
Thank you.
Push all the way in. Next time, we'll do some hand wraps for you. We'll show you how to wrap your hands for beginners. So you protect your wrist, because sometimes what they call is like a boxer fracture, and a lot of people, everyone that boxes knows a boxer fracture.
So this is why we...
Yeah, usually we put hands wraps on because you have more protection for your knuckles and your wrist, but just at the meantime, we're just training for a little bit, so it won't be too hard for you.
C'est ce que tu me demandais tout à l'heure, pourquoi on mettait des, tu sais, des bandes. Voilà, c'est juste pour pas justement se péter les poignets. Donc voilà, c'est pour la protection des poignets, parce que souvent ça arrive des fractures au niveau des poignets.
Now, you see how you did this right now, right? Okay. When you come up and you hit, watch your wrist how you're hitting it, okay? Because that's the thing that's gonna become. Because you can do a straight punch, which normally hurts you, but if you turn the wrong way, you know that's when your hand will twist, okay?
Okay.
So big key thing about that, like if you see me, my hands right, when I come, look, like you see how it is right here, it's already blocked up, right? But it's already at the jab, right? So when I turn, I'm here, okay? Because if you try to do like this or like that, that's when you get that fracture right here in your wrist.
Je tourne pas assez le poing, et c'est là qu'on peut se blesser justement aussi au niveau du poignet.
Donc
faut vraiment que...
Ok. You know what I mean? 1, 2. Nice. 1, 2. Nice. 1, 2. And I like it. You see how you're hitting the body like that real good? Now, even if it's your power hand, give me 5 1-2s, but I want that power hand coming up top, okay?
Up?
Yep.
Okay.
Like you doing a face shot.
Okay.
Yep. Straight to the kisser. All right. 1, 2. There it is. 1, 2. A little bit higher. A little bit higher. 1, 2.
Higher.
There we go. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Nice. See? And you see how you started moving?
Yeah.
See how you started moving because you want to get a rhythm. You get what I mean? Once you get the rhythm, you're like here, and it's like, all right. You know what I mean? You'll start to feel yourself.
Il y a le rythme au niveau des jambes qui commence à venir un peu.
Right here for me. I want you to get right here. Okay, stay right in front of the back. Here. Lean. I want you to turn. I want you to get back and body. Because if you hit here, boom, boom. Because now you're turning right into your power foot, okay? Let's just say you're leaning over. There you go. And just do a salt like that. Do it just like that.
Okay.
Do it just like that.
Bon là on va essayer justement de faire avec le buste uniquement. Ça j'ai pas l'habitude, je suis vraiment encore bien coincé. Donc, so like this.
Yeah. So you got about same long arm but some bigger. So
okay.
Just give me that same weight, boom, and then come straight forward. There you go. Go easy. Take your time, take your time, take your time. There you go. Come on. Come on. All right. All right, keep going. Yeah. Okay, now, listen up. Now we're gonna do the thing. Now do the 1, 2, but I want you to do the 1 up top and the 2 down the body, okay? Yep.
Okay.
Good job. Come on. All right, one more time. Good. Got your hands all loose. Hands are loose, hands are loose, hands are loose, hands are loose, hands are loose. Okay, let's go. Here we go. All right, give me a jab. Give me a jab. Give me a jab. Give me 1, 2. Nice. There we go. Move around. Move around. All right, give me a jab. Give me a jab. Give me a jab. Give me a jab. Give me 1, 2. Nice. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Let's go. There you go. Shake them off. Shake them off. Shake them off. Shake them off. There you go. Come on. Come on. Come on. There we go. Keep your hands up. There you go. There you go. Keep your hands up. Keep your hands up. There you go. 1. 1, one, 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 two. Woo, okay. So the same way as your muscles condition. So prime example, for a guy this big, you see, it's a lot for him to have to carry weight. So for him, exactly.
C'est lourd pour moi de porter ces muscles.
Exactly, because you can be bigger than me, but I can tire him out a whole lot faster than he can tire me out.
Oh yeah.
And it's not even about just your lungs, it's about your muscles. Your muscles need to have that oxygen as well, because it's like that stamina. So when you see something like this, it's like a fatigue. Even though you might have good lungs with cardio, your muscles have to have the same. So when you have your energy and everything like that, those muscles got to be able to breathe and flow. Because if you...
Les muscles doivent bien s'oxygéner et tout ça parce que on peut avoir des muscles forts, volumineux et tout ça, mais après de là, les avoir endurants et arriver à tenir sur le rythme et tout ça, c'est complètement différent. Donc là, c'est... It's hard. It's good, it's good.
It's good, it's good.
I feel good.
So I want you to do is we're going to finish up strong. So,
Okay.
So I want you to give me what we're going to work on real quick. I want you to do the body shot. So you're going to be in this stance, right?
Okay.
It's going to be all right? Got me?
Ok, ok. On va travailler les crochets parce que vous m'avez dit dans la vidéo de Rocky que je savais pas les faire, donc là on va les bosser un peu. Allez.
Drop level. Drop level. That was a better one. Because if I'm here and you got your hands up, I'm walking to you. I'm walking to you. I'm walking to you. Boom, boom. You know what I mean? Boom. There you go. See? Boom. Outside, outside.
Oh.
It's more there. So if you're here, I'm coming at you, coming at you, coming at you. Boom, 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 boom. See? Now, you're jabbing at me. Jabbing, jabbing, jabbing. Now, I want you to do something towards me, okay? When I say jab, you're gonna hit down towards the body. Okay? This hand, okay? Remember what I told you about? If you're here, jab. All right? So, try to jab towards my midsection. There you go. Come on. There you go. Hold on, wait for it, come around. Jab it. There you go. Come on, jab it. There you go. Come on, jab it. All right. 1, 2. Keep moving. All right. Keep moving. There you go. Keep moving. Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2. Yeah.
Woo.
Yeah, baby. There you go. Breathe, man.
Now we're talking.
Yeah, now there you go. Now you like yourself.
Woo.
There we go. Jab me and turn up. There you go, okay? And you see how you did your hip like that? There you go, just like that, okay? So hit, up. There you go. Hit, nice.
Là on travaille le jab et uppercut. Et moi uppercut, c'est vrai que j'ai l'habitude d'aller trop loin chercher. En fait, il faut rester à chaque fois près du buste.
Alright. So now we'll do slow first, okay?
Slow.
Alright, alright. So get jab, up. Alright, see how I did that? Jab, up. Alright, and sit down when you come up, okay?
Ah, okay.
So, jab, and then come up like the old Dragon Ball Z. It's like, phew. It's like, okay? So
Just
exactly.
Okay.
So jab, up. Jab. Nice and soft first. 1, up. 1, 1. There you go. Okay. All right. 1, 2. Hey, okay. Now give me 1, 2 straight forward. Okay. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Nice. There's that cross right there. See how you bent right into that hip? 1. 1, 1, 2. All right, hit there. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Nice. All right. We're gonna do jab uppercut, okay? Ready? Let's go. Nice. Let's go. Right to me. Stay right there. Let's go. There you go. Move around. Right, there you go. Breathe. Breathe. One. Ah, there you go. I like that you didn't do it. See, you're listening now. You see how you listen?
I'm trying to.
You listen now. Come on.
Réflexe, réflexe.
One. There you go. Feel that power? Come on. 1, 2. Yep, you got it. Let's go. 1, 2. There you go. Let's go. You got it. There you got it. 1, 2.
I'm confused.
Let's go. Come on. 1, 2. Nice. Okay. I want you to do this for me. Straight jab, hook. You know what I mean? Do it slow first, okay? 1, hit. All right, now turn.
Oh yeah,
Yep, just like that, okay?
Ah, je me trompe toujours avec les crochets, c'est comme ça.
Yeah, because that's where that wrist is gonna, the rest, you know what I'm saying? So 1, 2. All right, so I'm gonna put it out here, okay? Let's go. 1, hook. Yep, good job. Huh? All right, don't step too far into it, okay? Huh? There we go. Huh? There we go. Huh? You got this. Flow out. Jab, uppercut. Listen now. Jab, uppercut. Huh? Nice. Keep going. There we go. Jab, uppercut. You got it. Nice. Jab, uppercut. All right. Come on. There we go. Jab, uppercut. Nice. Jab, hook. Woo. 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 Come on. We ain't done yet. Now, I want you to give me a straight 1, 2 all the way. Go. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Get them hands. There we go. Vamos. Go. I like that. I like that, boy. Ready to go. All right. Let's finish up strong. Give me 10. Give me 10 straight forward, okay? 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. There we go.
Thanks, bro.
All right, we gonna stop. We're gonna kill it right now. Prepare, like, grow, you know
So
what I mean?
quarantine is a good thing.
Yeah, quarantine was good. Nah, quarantine was not that good. I was frustrated with quarantine.
La quarantaine, c'était pas si mal finalement parce qu'on a pu tester pas mal de poids de corps et tout ça. Et il nous a dit que lui, pendant 1 an, il avait arrêté complètement la musculation et qu'il s'était mis justement au poids du corps. Et il pensait perdre, etc. Et au final, il a quand même gardé un très bon physique, super athlétique, super dynamique, tout ça. Donc en tout cas, j'espère que vous aurez apprécié la vidéo. Les amis, je suis complètement trempé. I feel very good. Et ça fait du bien un peu de lâcher les poids et puis de faire un petit peu de cardio. Finalement, je me suis pas trop mal débrouillé. Je sais pas, dites-moi ce que vous en pensez. Allez, lâchez-vous dans les commentaires. Dites-moi, je sais que j'avais pas une technique parfaite, mais j'ai retrouvé quelques mouvements de karaté, disons, surtout sur les, sur les blocages, des trucs comme ça et tout. Mais bon, je suis un peu raide encore. Et petit à petit, au fil de la séance, je me suis bien amélioré. Donc je vais continuer, je pense, 1 fois par semaine au moins, minimum peut-être 2, qui me continuent à me donner des cours comme ça me motive bien, ça me fait, je pense, sécher. Et dites-le moi dans les commentaires si vous voulez continuer à voir ce genre de vidéos. Et puis d'ici quelques semaines ou quelques mois, on fera le bilan pour voir où j'en suis, pour voir si je me suis amélioré et tout ça.
Check back in on him and see what he looks like.
Thank you so much, bro.
Right,
Thank you.
man.
Bye bye.